Well, Mike, here we are with the 2018 Honda Civic and the all-new redesigned 2018 Honda Accord. People who are looking at one are probably also looking at the other to compare. So let's do that. Let's compare these two terrific vehicles.
Yeah, it's great. So Honda has these two models. When you think of Honda, you really do think of their flagship models, which are the Honda Accord and the Honda Civic. So when you're comparing the two cars, initially people always think the Civic is quite a bit smaller. It's more of an entry-level sedan, and Honda's really shifted their focus these more recent years here with the Civic. It's actually quite a bit bigger than the previous Civics. It's more of a traditional subcompact sedan than it's been in the past. It's actually only 10 inches shorter than the Accord, and it's got a lot of the same comfort and convenience features that the Accord offers at quite a bit less of a price point.
Yeah, if you look quickly, they do look very similar when you see them go by on the road.
Absolutely, yeah. So as I had mentioned, the Accord is about 10 inches longer. It's about 2 inches wider than the current Honda Civic is. They still virtually get similar gas mileage. The Civic averages about 40 on the highway, whereas the Accord is at 35. The Accord has the 1.5-liter turbo and the 2-liter turbo. The Civic has the 2-liter 4-cylinder and the 1.5-liter turbo engines. Honda does a great job with price point on the Civic. You can get a brand new Honda Civic for below $20,000. Now, the Honda Accord comes standard with the safety features of the Honda Sensing Suite at just under $25,000. The Civic, you can add those Honda Sensing safety features to any model Civic, whether it be the LX, the EX, or the higher trim levels. So whether or not you want to stay under 20, you can add safety features as you'd like them with the Civic, versus the Accord comes with all of them standard.
As you move up in trim level, do the two vehicles kind of mirror the options and accessories?
They really do. The only point where they don't mirror themselves is when you get up to the highest models, these two touring models. The Honda Accord offers you a couple of more creature comforts. This year they offer a heads-up display, which is a small screen that's going to show up about 6 inches in front of you as the driver. It's going to show you the navigation system. It's going to show you your speed. It's going to show you, if you have turn-by-turn direction on, which turns to take and when. And it also has ventilated front seats as well as LED headlights and fog lights in the Honda Accord Touring.
But of course, even in the Civic Touring, you can get heated front and rear seats in a Civic.
In a Civic, so which is great. Yeah, the Touring model Civic really does offer you a lot of comfort and convenience. And again, the top of the line Civic is priced still just under $28,000. The Accord can go all the way up to $37,000. Again, similar comfort and convenience features, but the Civic does offer you, like you mentioned, rear heated seats, sunroof, leather, navigation, alloy wheels, Bluetooth, backup camera. I mean, the list goes on and on.
Yeah, and the safety and the reliability and the Honda badge. How about leasing? Do they both lease well?
They both lease fantastic. Honda's been the award winner in both categories with Kelley Blue Book's resale value over the past couple of years. Both these have phenomenal leases on them. You can get the Civic starting below $200 a month and the Accord just a couple of dollars higher. So whether you're looking for a subcompact or a mid-size sedan, either one is going to fit your budget.
Still, a lot of people would think, oh, I still like the Accord more than the Civic. But if you want something really sporty and that's really going to turn heads, the Civic offers something that the Accord doesn't, and that's the SI and the Type R.
Absolutely, yeah. So they offer the performance models in the Civic, the SI and the Type R, that have a boosted engine, more performance. And then the SI even has a Type R version, which offers over 300 horsepower in a Honda Civic.
In a Civic.
It's unbelievable. Although, if you're looking for performance in the Accord this year, they've offered a 2.0 turbo Honda Accord Sport 6-speed manual, something that those enthusiasts that enjoyed the V6 Honda Accord stick shift are going to welcome the return of this vehicle. It is a lot of fun and a lot of sportiness in that car.
That's something that you got to come down here to Saccucci, take it for a test drive. I think you might like it.
Absolutely. If you're an enthusiast of the Honda Accord or the Honda Civic, the new redesigned models are absolutely fantastic, and they're all here at Saccucci Honda.